Let's talk about how you can use Mote in Google Classroom in the comment sections. So I've got a Google Classroom open and I want to use Mote in my comments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up an assignment and I'm going to click the view assignment and get to the instructions. So here's the amazing thing. Since I've added the Mote extension to my account, when I go into Google Classroom, make sure that you refresh if you're just new to adding the extension, and I come in here to class comments. Do you see the Mote icon right here? Absolutely incredible. It just shows up right there. I don't have to actually go up and click on the extension. It feels a lot like using Mote in the comment section for Google Docs and Sheets and Slides, which I've demonstrated in other videos. Be sure to check those out. They're all included in on this playlist. But let's say I want to give the kids some audio feedback. And I'm just going to keep it real simple. So in Google Classroom, you click in the comment section, and I'm going to click the Mote extension, record my comment, and then click the extension again, and I'm good to go. You ready? Let's do this. Hey, you guys, I hope that you have a really good time doing the St. Patrick's Day activities. Remember, you don't have to do all of the tabs, and I've recorded directions directly onto this sheet to help you. Make sure you look for the Listen Here box and click on it, and you'll hear me reading the directions. Enjoy! It's going to automatically include this whole sentence fragment. And all I have to do at that point is click the post button, and it posts for the kids. They can come in here, they can click on this and listen to it. It's as easy as that. Now, that's one way of using it in the comments, but we all know that there are multiple ways that you can add in comments in Google Classroom, right? So let's look at some student work. So let's say I want to comment on Andrew's. I open up his assignment and I want to leave him some feedback. So to do that, I can actually just click on any of these and use the comments feature. That's the same way as if you were just on a Google Sheet, right? So under your sleeping snowman, because he gets tired sometimes and lays down, find your little comment button and you can leave him a comment. Let's see if I can scroll. No, maybe I have to zoom out a little bit. But when I zoom out, let's actually collapse that. When I zoom out, you can see that the little Mote icon shows up here. So I can leave Andrew recorded feedback right on his actual assignment. Hey, Andrew, just make sure that you read these directions and follow them. Make that comment. And then when he comes back to this assignment, he'll see that comment, he can listen to the feedback, and he can use that feedback to help guide him. Now let's open this sidebar back up. You see the Mote icon shows up in your private comments too. You can record feedback in here as well. So 3 different areas that you can record audio feedback in Google Classroom. And just as a little teaser, make sure that you check out my video that will also be included in this playlist about using Mote in the Google Classroom comment bank. Super excited about this. I'm pumped that this works. So make sure that you check out the other video. There's one more video about Google Classroom and using Mote, but definitely start using Mote in Google Classroom in your comment area. Save your voice for your kids and save yourself some time. It's a lot faster. Enjoy. I hope this is a tech you can do tip that you use and love just like I do.